big rust hole here. This brace is all screwed up. I'm going to shoot that and see if I can get it to come out, so I can get it straightened and repaired. Give that some lube. It says it's 4-way penetrating lube. Well, it's going to penetrate 4 different ways. Penetrate means you're going in. I'm just going to do it 4 different ways. Spray it on the top, maybe it'll go in from the bottom, I don't know. Shit like that confuses me. Yeah, we'll let that soak for a while. See what we can do then. Beats the bejesus out of me. Alright, good morning. Today, this is where the fender we're going to use. And we're going to have to replace this hole here. This is where the taillight pad goes. So we're going to replace it. So I got another fender that's beat up. And we're going to cut this out and replace it with the one I cut out of the other fender. I already went ahead and cut this one out. So we'll just get rid of that. Now I took my dimensions, my measurements. I measured from here up to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, from here over to the center of this, the center of this. I set the tail light, mounted it on that. That's how we got our dimensions. It took a little while. Then to make sure that things are the same as this here, it tells you the contour. You straighten it out. There you go. Then you just shove it down on whatever you want to do. There's your contour. Or you can do it this way. That shows you the contour of the fender. So, that being said and done, we'll go over on the other fender and I'll show you what we're doing there. Alright, I got it marked out here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Marked out along here. Same measurements. Let me go get my book. Then I took down all the measurements, where I marked it from here to the top of this, from here to the top of here. That is representative of, this is your pod. And it goes there and there, like that. Then there's another piece that sits on top. So, after doing all the measurements, then from here in and everything. Now, this is a little bit larger than what that is. That way there I can trim it down to fit. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to cut it a little this side of the line instead of this side. And hopefully it'll come out different. You can see it's a little bit larger. Then I can trim it down to fit with my measurements. Take all my measurements, match it back up perfectly. Alright. I'm going to be cutting this out with my grinder. It's noisy. Quite sure you don't want to see it. That, and I don't want to ruin a lens again. So we're going to shut you down and move you. Alright, we're fitting it up now. Getting ready to hold it in. Take some more measurement.
limit. Whiskey to clear my mind. Music to pass the time. The world it spins round and round, and life tries to knock me down. When bad luck it comes to town, not gonna let it, not gonna push me all around.
You get the gist of things right now. I'll get back to you. Alright, we got the panel all cut out, down to size. Now we're going to start welding it in. We're going to start in one location, do a little spot weld, come up here, do another one, maybe one here, or one over here, one here, back and forth, side to side, top to bottom, until we get it all the way we want it. The reason for jumping around is you don't want to put a lot of heat into it. So let it cool off in between, so you don't want the hell out of it, which I've done before. But don't tell anybody. Alright, and we got a little gap in between everything, I hope. Yeah, we're doing good. Want a little gap. Get 100% penetration, a lot stronger weld. Alright, yesterday I got that patch panel all welded in. I just sanded it down a little bit this morning. Got a little low spot right there, but right next to a weld. I don't know. I think I'll leave it. A little bit of putty. A little high spot right here. I think I'll take care of that. A little dolly here. Going to be off the dolly, which means the dolly will be up in here or down in here. Probably up in here because I got a high spot right here. I'm going to dolly off, hammer off the dolly. Not hard. Flopper. Okay. So what we're going to do now is I D8 it. Now I'm going to wipe it down and give it a little coat of primer, just so it doesn't rust. A little wax and grease removal. You're surprised the dirt you get. See that? That's all been sanded. Still picking it up. That's not too bad there. Give it one more shot. There we go. Now we'll let that set for about 15 minutes and we'll throw some paint on it. Okay, we got that in primer. Guess it's on to the next job. That's going to need a little bit of body filler here and there, but hey, best I can do with what I got. So, get you over here, get some light on the subject, show you what we got next. for my next trick, I'm going to cut that bad spot out there.